this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change user interface color in Photoshop. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are brand new to this channel and you find this guide useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Photoshop tricks. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back to this video. So let's see how to change user interface color of Adobe Photoshop from light to dark mode or from dark mode to light mode. So let's begin. The very first thing you need to do is to make sure you come to the top right here, and you have to navigate to edit. Then from edit you have to come to the bottom right here, you look for preferences. Then from preferences you have to navigate to interface right here, click on interface. Then this dialog box is going to pop up. Then from here you can choose whatever color of your choice. So this is gray color by default, and this is white color as the case may be, and the first theme right here is dark color. Okay, so once you are satisfied with whatever color of your choice, then I'm satisfied with the black dark color. Once you are satisfied with everything, next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on OK. Boom, it's as simple as that. So the user interface color is going to change dramatically to whatever color of your choice. So this is how to change user interface color in Adobe Photoshop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Photoshop tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.